learn Black by Pearl Jam, okay? Now the first chord of that song is an E major. And as you can see, I'm putting my index finger on the first fret of the G, I'm putting my ring finger on the second fret of the D, and I'm putting my middle finger on the second fret of the A. So you get this nice E major chord, which is the first chord of Black. Sheets of empty canvas. Now what's that second chord? That second chord is called an A sus2. Good morning from Texas. Hey, how's it going, Texas? Nice to see ya. Second chord of Black by Pearl Jam is A sus2, and it's basically the same thing as E major. Here's E major, but you're just going to take these two fingers right here and move them to right there. So I'll give you a close-up of what that looks like on the guitar. That's A sus2 right there. Middle finger goes on the second fret of the D, fourth finger goes on the second fret of the G. Now we're in business to play the verse of Pearl Jam's Black. Sheets of empty canvas, untouched sheets of clay, were laid spread out before me as her body once did. So for the verse, you're just going to go back and forth from those two chords in order to play the first verse of Black by Pearl Jam. Then you're going to go to a C chord for the pre-chorus, which is oh, and all I taught her was everything. Hey, thanks for the lessons. Oh, you're very welcome. I like doing it, so please do like the stream and subscribe if you can, because we're doing live stream guitar tutorials about 2 or 3 times a week. And all I taught her was everything. So we're going from 2 chords there. We're going to C. That's a C major chord where you got your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A. You've got your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. And then your index finger is going right here, the 1st fret of the B string. So here's C major. Oh, and all I taught her, oh, and all I taught her was everything. And that's where you go to an E minor chord, which is different than that first chord that we used to actually start the song up. The first chord of the song is sheets of empty canvas, and that's a major chord. But this chorus, this little pre-chorus, uses an E minor. And that's where the same thing as E major, but all you have to do is take your index finger off the fretboard. That's how easy it is to get to E minor from E major. You just take your index finger off the fretboard. So let's go back to the pre-chorus for Black by Pearl Jam. And all I taught her was everything E minor. Oh, I know she gave me all that she wore. Back to E minor. So you just cycle from C major to E minor for that pre-chorus. And then here's the chorus. And now my bitter hand chafed beneath the clouds of what was everything all the pictures have. So we've got a new chord entering the sequence here. Please welcome the D major. So far we've used E major and A sus2 for the verse, and then we used C and E minor for the pre-chorus, and then we got a chance to actually jump into a D right here. Hi, fellow guitarist. Hi, how's it going? Good to see you. Thank you for joining. Now we're hitting up this D chord, and D major is built like this. You got your index finger on the 2nd fret, you got your ring finger on the third fret of the B string right there, and then you've got your, sorry, I screwed up, Jared. That index finger goes on the second fret of the G string right there, and then your ring finger goes on the third fret of the B, and then your middle finger goes on the second fret of the E. So it looks like this to anyone who's learning how to play a D major chord. I couldn't really do an F chord. Yeah, F chords are hard. That requires an actual, bar on the first fret. So we're going to get to that someday. But for now, we're learning Black by Pearl Jam, and that starts with, the chorus starts with a D chord. So this is your D. And now my bitter hands chafe beneath the clouds of what was everything. All the pictures have all been washed in black, tattooed everything. So those are the chords for the chorus, basically. Now, it goes right back into the verse for the next part, which is your E major and A sus2. And he's just doing the, I take a walk outside, I'm surrounded by some kids at play. So that's the second verse. It's the same as the first verse. You're just going to use 2 chords for that. You got your acoustic on your lap. Good. Yeah, you're learning how to play Black by Pearl Jam this morning, and we're going to do 4 more songs after this. So stick around, please. All right, so it goes back into that verse. I take a walk outside, I'm surrounded by some kids at play. Same thing as the first verse, just E major to A sus2. Pre-chorus is the same thing as the first pre-chorus. Oh, and twisted thoughts that spin around my head, I'm spinning. So it's doing the same thing, just C major to E. And then we go into the chorus, but this is where it gets kind of fun, because this is where it goes into the ending sequence. And he starts going back and forth between C and D. Tattooed everything. And this is where they start cycling. All the love gone bad, turned my world to black, and tattooed all I see, all that I am, all that I'll be. So during that little ending part, they kind of linger on the D, and then they go back to C, then they go back up to D, all that I'll be. Yeah, yeah. And then here it comes. So you're going to be doing 3 chords for this outro. And this is where the big vocal happens. And then this is where he sings the best line in the entire song, honestly. If you're a fan of Pearl Jam, this is the big one. What song are we on? We're on Black by Pearl Jam. This is where he goes, I know someday you'll have a beautiful life, I know you'll be a star in somebody else's sky, but why can it be mine? So let's talk about those lyrics real quick. He says, I know someday you'll have a beautiful life. I know you'll be a star in somebody else's sky. But why? Why can't it be mine? This is a breakup song. This is a really, I wanted to just point out how great the lyrics are, even though this is a guitar tutorial. This is a really, really cool line because it's the apex of the song. And they move into this, the strumming pattern is really, really tricky because it's kind of like down, 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 bound, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. got a weird sort of time signature going there where it's a very loose time signature. You have to kind of really listen closely. But it's E minor to D to C back to E minor. So that is how you play Black by Pearl Jam.